big screen. Okay, that looks really good. $288. Wow. I can't reach forward, everyone, because my hands are full. So we got to go through I'm going to try it real quick, okay? There we go. 300 right there. Amazing. Come on, baby. Shut that pot, too. So we got one more spin. That's it. And we did not... 48. Nice. Lovely. Thank you. All right, guys. Let's see what we got. All right. Nice. Okay. So I got in, and I got $385 on another one, at $288. Amazing. Fantastic, everyone. I love it. Just love it. Okay. Let's do a backup. Let's do 5. 5, 5. I can't get it, guys. 5. There we go. Let's see how long this goes. Come on, 5. Oh, yeah. Let's do it. Let's see if we can get... Oh, the pot. I'm going to let you choose, honey. Okay, do it slowly.
Yes.
All right. Okay, we didn't get upgraded. All right, go. Here we go. G-Man's going to choose, guys. Sorry.
That's a good one.
Okay, keep going. A little bit faster.
That's a good one.
Keep
One
going.
more and you get that major.
I know, let's go.
Let's see.
Come on. Major, guys, is 852. We've been getting the mini, but we did get the minor.
Good.
All right.
I thought you were going to let me do it.
I am, but you're a little slow.
Come on, I want that major.
Go, please. Just do it. He won't do it. He does that.
Okay, we're still going.
We're still going. One more.
Where is she? Where is she?
Go. Go, baby, go. Come on. I can't stand it.
Still going.
All right, here we go. Come on, give me a major.
I think it's right next to her.
Go.
All right, we gotta go.
Look at him. He won't stop it. Here
We're
we
still
go.
going.
Okay, we're still going, guys.
Wow.
Get that major. Get that major. All right, come on. Oh, yeah.
All that for $17.
Right, guys. Yeah. We're still going though. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. We're going. Come on. Nice. Okay, we got 3. Oh, yeah. Did we re-trigger? No. We got 116. Not bad. One more. Come on. Re-trigger. We re-triggered. We did.
Yeah.
Additional.
Re-trigger.
All right. We got 100. Come on. Again.
Again. No,
Oh, my God. They are not going to believe this.
thank you.
Oh, my God.
It's nice to get lucky once in a while.
Yeah, it is. All right, guys, that's it. Oh, no, it's not. We have 11.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Be
Oh,
100,
my God.
190.
Oh, wow. That's it. Okay, that's it, guys. We got 197. Wow. How many re-triggers did we get? I'm going to do it again. Look what I just hit after my live, guys, at a 288 bet. We had 4 drums with the gold, and we re-triggered. We had 11 at least spins. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, that was so cool. This machine is rocking. Guys, I hit $10 bet by accident, but I was getting in. I'm not sure I will again. See, it's so close. We're going to take it down. Okay, we got $10 there. I don't have my mic on because I had to plug in the battery. So let's look at this. Okay, take it down. see if we can get in. All right, we are playing the Dancing Drums Explosion. I've had 2 upgrades during my live that I did on Sundays. I do it at 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time in the morning. I got a whole bunch of hits and won quite a bit of money. I would say I was up 1,500 and no jackpots. Amazing. I've had the pot so many times. Okay, thank you. Okay, there you go.
Thank you, my dear.
You bet. It's so cool.
Glad to do business with you.
Yeah, glad to do business with you too, sir.
We had 64 people. That's a pretty good turnout.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, because we didn't do TikTok. Okay. So I'm just watching, guys. Why am I watching? Because I think we're going to close the pot. And I have a feeling I've got enough extra money to do a little bit. Okay. Now, let's go to 588 one more time. Come on, pot. Okay, now we're... Oh, that's beautiful. 72.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. Look at that. 24. We want one more there. We've been getting 4 drums sometimes. Oh my gosh. Okay, what we're gonna do now is just do 110 and just check it out. Okay, one more and then go down. Okay, nothing there. We've been in at $10 twice. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Okay, we got our money back. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
What that adds up to. Might be $100.
72. Okay,
73.
you get to pick them. A jackpot upgrade. Upgrade. Oh yes, we want the 1600. We want that explosion. Look at that, guys. That is the 3rd upgrade. Go, honey, go. Okay, we got it again, and it's upgraded, guys. Explosion. Look at that. We're at Angels of the Wind. G-Man's choosing them. So the mini's 24. The minor is 61. The major is 1600. And let's do the explosion 30. The explosion is gorgeous. All right, one more.
I got 4 of them. Oh, they're different colors.
Yeah, keep going.
Oh, we don't want the blue ribbon.
Well, it's going to be whatever. Okay, we got 61. Very good, very good. All right. Nice job, guys. We got it. All right. So cool. Okay, so 134 just on that one alone. Okay. Yeah, it likes 588. Oh, wow.
It's too bad you didn't have another dragon.
Oh my gosh, isn't this beautiful? Okay, we'll go to 10 2 times and then back down. Too bad we didn't get a drum. It would have been 4, guys. Okay, now take it down. We're just trying. What fun. Oh, we got the pot again.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is so cool. Okay, we got the pot again. 588. Oh, explosion.
Okay.
Explosion. We went up, guys. Oh, they doubled them, I think. I think that's what they did. All right, let's go, honey. G-Man's choosing it. A little faster, though.
Oops.
We've hit the mini a lot, as you know. Okay,
Rats.
but we got 25. That's
Yeah,
better than
that's true.
13. All right, we got it. Okay, let's keep going. Isn't that something? Let's go up to 10 once. Oh, that's good.
Somebody got the pot. Good luck. Grand prize is 10,000.
Okay. All right, look at that, guys. Another 10. And now let's, okay, we'll get out. So we didn't lose much on that. Come on. Okay, so we got our money back. Come on. Okay, we're going to stop there for a minute. We're trying 588. We've had a really good run. And we're gonna see if it can just linger in there. Get us that pot again. We've been, what do you think? We've had 6 pots or 5 since we started here at Angels of the Wind. Amazing. And we've had, okay, 588. Okay, that was 7. We're gonna see if we get another pot. We're gonna go to 10 for a minute. One more. Okay, no, we're gonna stay down. All right, we're over on G-Man's. Okay, which one do you want to play, honey? The 5? What do you think? Let's go 5. So we're in at 288. This is G-Man because it hadn't gone in. He was playing it earlier, and then I played the one on the right and did really well. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, that's very good. 108. Nice. See, both he and I are going to have our. I'll have my money for my losses the other day. So I have one more spin. That's it. Come on, come on. No retrigger.
Come on.
That's it, guys. It's 121, but we're happy. That was good. Okay. Just got in on G-Man's machine. We were over here winning up 1,500 plus. Our ticket was 2,000, but I had spent 400. Isn't that nice? Let's see this. Go. Okay. 121 on that and a 288 bet. Good. So now let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I think let's do one more. Take it up. Let's go. See, it didn't do anything earlier. 110.
That's what that machine needed was higher bets.
Well, it didn't hit right away. So we're doing a $10 bet. I think I'll do one more and that's it. Oh, one more. No, it's not going to do it. Okay, we're taking it down. We tried. You got a jackpot over there. Wow.
Behind you?
Yeah, I wonder what he's betting. Okay, we'll do it one more time. We'll try $10 once. One more, one more. And one more. No, guys, this one is G-Man's. I only hit once. It won't hit again. Okay, let's see what we got. We wanted that pot to close, but I think I'm better off going back to mine. This one is too erratic. Take it down. I did get in at 288. Okay, that's good. I got 36. Come on, baby. Come on, 36. It's not, the pot's not closing. Come on, baby. Take it up. One time. Go. Oh. I got it. All right, this is G-Man's. No, it's been hitting badly. This is the only time it hit. Gave me $30 while you're gone. Okay? Okay? Oh, right away.
Yeah.
That's sick. Oh, they would have done that anyway. Would have done it anyway. What a shame, guys. Isn't that horrible? Yeah, that one sucks. We'll see if it goes.
$2,600.
Huh?
You got $2,600.
That is wonderful.
$5 bet.
Okay, I'm just doing this one a couple times. I think I'm going to go back to mine. This one has not been good. Sometimes it'll drop it right away again. One more. No, look at those. Yeah, it's been tough. All right, we're going to do one at 10 and that's it. And then I'm off. One back down and we're done there. Okay, we're trying again. We tried, oh wow, too bad. Look at those food dogs. Aren't they just the coolest? Let's go to 588. We tried the other machine that G-Man was playing. That thing is so dead. We'll try a $10 bet. Oh God, look at that. One more. No. Oh, that's big, guys. $160 on a $10 bet. You are rocking, baby. Okay, we got 160. Thank you. Would be great to get in one more time. Oh, we got it. We got the pot. Will it explode? It's on a $10 bet. We're going to be jackpot upgrade. Come on, give me that major. Or the explosion. Oh, man. All right, guys. Here we go. We're at a $10 bet. All right, it's a $10 bet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, no. It hit right away. Didn't even give me a chance. Not even a chance. Oh well, that's worth 2 bets. Okay. One more. And stop it. Go down.